Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these amazing caramel apple cupcakes. I'm starting off my batter by adding half a cup of butter and 2/3 cup of sugar into my stand mixer with a paddle attachment. I'm whipping this on high speed for about 8 minutes or until the butter mixture is creamy. While the stand mixer is creaming my butter, I'm mixing a half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 1/4 cup of flour. Once your butter's done creaming, you're going to want to add 2 eggs, 1 egg at a time, which obviously I messed up on, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla into your stand mixer. After your batter has finished mixing, you should start to add your flour mixture and 1 cup of milk in 3 increments, starting with flour, then milk, then flour again. To finish off your batter, you're going to dump 3 tablespoons of flour into a small bowl with 2 apples that have been sliced into small cubes. You're then going to mix these together until the apples are fully coated. You're then going to fold your apples into your batter, scoop them into your cupcake tins, and bake them at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. To start on my caramel filling, I'm dumping half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of butter into a small saucepan over medium-low heat and stirring occasionally until you have a nice bubbly caramel. I'm starting off my buttercream by adding 1 cup of softened butter into the bowl of my stand mixer, then whipping that on medium speed with my paddle attachment until the butter has become really soft and pale. I'm then going to start adding 3 cups of sifted powdered sugar, about 1/4 cup at a time, to my butter mixture. To finish off my buttercream, I'm going to add just enough salt to give it a really nice salty flavor. After that, I'm dyeing my buttercream green with a couple drops of green food coloring, then loading it into my piping bag for later. The first thing I'm going to do to decorate these delicious cupcakes is cut out the center and fill it with some of our tasty caramel. I'm then smoothing the top of the cupcake and icing it with some of our sweet and salty buttercream. The last thing I'm doing is smoothing out the buttercream so I can get a really smooth look on the top. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, starting today, I'm posting new videos once a month.